team. Ito si Ichi Altamirano from free agency as well. Escocio, lista mo na yan. Wawi Escocio. Over.
This move by Ichi Altamirano over here to Cebu. I'm sure a lot of the fans are also surprised with the really good showing of
Brian Heruela sa lineup because Mark has really blossomed into an MVP candidate this season. Impact, si Mark Meneses ang isa sa mga top players ng liga na to. No? Easily top 3.
Yep. I mean, it's very intentional in doing that. The chase right there underneath.
Wow, what a poor finish.
All along the other end
Ang
without the
aga.
protection, eh, no?
Ang aga nagsisimula nitong struggles ng Paranaque. Kainin mo.
The hard-boiled egg?
Oh, yeah.
The protein load?
Oh, parang
my
ganun lang yung
goodness.
inano niya eh. So, ang hirap naman itong
Na-execute now. Para dito sa Parañaque, the thing is, yun nga, yeah, finally, naka-basket na si Marlon Monte from sa drive by Tweety, no?
Meneses with a rebound. He gets it back from Arminion. Salem corner 3. Nothing but net.
Kanina I was talking.
The reason, part of the reason why Mark Meneses has been great is because Brian Heruela has been great as well.
Oh.
Well, that's what you expect from Francis Tamsi. Spent 3 seasons with the Quezon Huskers. Koga gets it to drop.
That's where
Ano ba yan? Wawi.
Wawi, I know Wawi.
Okay.
I know Wawi.
I'm sure in your feeling mo, feeling ko.
Hindi.
Yung mahaba, long hair, sa gitna yung hati, alam mo yun?
Yan ang hindi ko nagawa. Ang alam mo kung ano
It already feels like a blowout. Kahit 7 points lang yung lamang.
Parañaque, so you gotta do something about it.
Lang gini-give up na baskets, kitang-kita mo. Parang ang dali sa kabilang team. There's really no play in their offense, no? Parang wala silang sistema. Just relying on individual plays.
In the league, they want to work on their orchestration for the sake of guys like Mark Meneses and Simon Camacho, as you mentioned, with Brian and June were masters of, and take this opportunity to
Quickly to Denison. A little sloppy here for the greats. 3-on-1. Pag di pa nakashoot Parañaque dito, ewan ko na lang. Okay. Yun na nga yung nangyari, oh.
First look for Ichi Altamirano. Boga pa.
Monte. Can he score? He does. They're trying to do. And Monte does not get back defensively, and that allows Mecca
Grab it out of his hands.
a nice pass from Ariar back to Mecca. Shows you from Cruz.
Oh, too easy.
Meneses, who's tracking.
And reaction there
No,
is.
there's really no intent. That time, intent to attack. Siya lang yung only player in double figures. Dalawa lang sila ni Koga ang bumubuhay dito.
Sa Parañaque, especially as we end the half.
Arminion's runner can't get it to fall. Rebound, Mark Meneses.
Walang pinag-uusapan natin.
Tweety Santos banks it in. In the first half, Arminion. Parañaque not yet in penalty. Is that hindi pumasok yung dalawang free throw.
Oh, yun na nga.
Pa lang. And they give up another easy basket. This is at the 2.
I think there was one game that we also covered na ganun eh. Wala sila
Type of player who no frills, no nonsense. Just works.
Yeah. I think parang
Huwag mong rekrutin sa kumpanya mo, ha?
Hindi. Sinasabi
Okay,
ko
baka
lang.
baka rekrutin mo sa
Bihira
kumpanya.
kasi ang player na IT grad.
Akala
Ibig sabihin,
mo,
karamihan
okay,
management, you know,
Yeah.
years that's in the engineering course.
Field, okay.
The other one was JJ Pido.
JJ Pido?
Oh.
Nako!
Engineer.
Kukunin mo ba yun? Remember, ano yan? Lagi niyang, it's always, the outfits are always well thought out. Oh, hindi
diba?
nila makikita yan.
Hindi lang makikita.
Arminion for 3. Yes!
Kaya nga yan ay isa sa mga dahilan kaya tinigilan ko ng
Na-enjoy niya yung
Moment na yun, no?
forma mong ganun.
Oh my. I will never try it, Dad. It's comfortable. And so me being the loving dad that I am, did.
Oh, ganun.
Halos 8 minuto na naman tayo naglalaro. Pero 5 points pa lang ang pinapakita nitong Parañaque. Hopefully closing out quarters to.
Pag nagko-cover minsan, is that when a team is trailing big, okay, the entire bench keeps looking at the score
Okay.
and not the problem on the floor.
Yes. Agree. Candy out of the hands of Yusei Koga. SLM again.
Balik kay Denison. Oh, Ichi Altamirano, little magic. Balik kay Ichi Altamirano, that's his first basket.
Good to see him finally. Get that drive.
Bakit kinukuha
ba?
na ta?
Yun ang nagpapasarap dun yung mga
Mantika?
yung mga used na. Kasi ginagawa ko yun nung bata pa ako pagka
Hindi. Tamsi Altamirano.
Oh yeah.
He can be streaky. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. 3-pointer by Yesalem.
What does he have?
20.
And Parañaque, after starting really cold this game, that continued in the second quarter. Maganda sana yung panapos nila doon.
He has a chance to get to 30. Ngama pa yung oras, ha?
Yes.
Monte shakes off the defense. Digital wallet built for the community. Monteveros.
Mainit eh.
Medina. I'll just take threes until I miss 3 or 4. And then pahinga na. There you go.
Heat check habang buhay hanggat mainit. Yan.
24. Parañaque. Still down big.
The game, and SLM has been so far the hottest hand on the floor.
Around Mecca and
This.
all the way.
Let us do this. Oh my. The important thing for Cebu is just to continue playing their style of play, not minding the score, not looking at it at all. Si SLM.
Si Tamsi yung titira.
Ayun lang. Hindi na tinignan sa corner si SLM. Ako naman, nakawalo ka na. Gotta find SLM though. Ayaw ni Tamsi. Siya muna raw.
That's it. Another win para sa Cebu Greats. Not much resistance from